I'm Neale Whitaker, and we are at my home, the home I share with my partner and our 3 dogs on the New South Wales south coast. This house is a country cottage. We had a very specific aesthetic in mind. We knew Highgrove's reputation for innovation and quality products, and the selections that we made from Highgrove Bathrooms allowed us to have that kind of unique, part traditional, part contemporary aesthetic. The clawfoot freestanding bath for the main bathroom, that was the starting point. We also used wall-mounted vanities to maximize the space in the bathrooms and make them feel larger than they are. We chose the brushed brass tapware because it has that slightly aged patina. And then I think the circular wall-mounted mirror cabinet adds a perfect touch of Art Deco to the house. There's continuity between the 2 bathrooms, but at the same time, each one has its individual personality. I think the 3D planner was a very useful starting point for us to really visualize our own ideas. We certainly used the augmented reality technology as well. I love the fact that I can use my phone and play around with different styles. We also had a play with the kit configurator, which is another really useful tool to find the group of products and styles that are absolutely right for your bathroom, for your design. Throughout the whole process, we used a combination of technology plus personal in-store visits. You cannot beat going into a store and touching and feeling the product. And I found the staff at my local Highgrove Bathroom store incredibly helpful, full of advice and information about the products that they're selling. What I like about the Highgrove Bathrooms offer is that it is not overwhelming. There's plenty of choice, but it's a very well-edited and well-curated choice. I probably won't be renovating my bathrooms for quite some time, but that's because I'm very happy with what we've done. It was the perfect solution.